Morocco will procure TB-001 Armed Unmanned Aerial Vehicles UCAVs from China. The UCAVs will be used especially in border surveillance. Morocco, which continues its military modernization efforts, continues to turn to China in the defense industry. Morocco, which recently decided to procure TB-001 UAV from China, aims to diversify its inventory. Currently, the Moroccan Armed Forces are actively using the Bayraktar TB2 UAV, which is the best in its class. The TB-001 procurement reflects Morocco's growing defense cooperation with China, part of Morocco's broader military transformation aimed at diversifying its defense partnerships and reducing its dependence on traditional Western suppliers. The Royal Moroccan Armed Forces, FAR, have previously procured Chinese-made Loong 2 UAVs, FD-2000 air defense systems, AR-2 multiple rocket launchers, and HJ-9A anti-tank systems. These procurements demonstrate Morocco's continued turn to China for advanced military technology, further strengthening the relationship between the two countries. The procurement of TB-001 is a strategic move to strengthen Morocco's defense posture and is considered an important step, especially at a time when it is facing regional security threats. In recent years, Morocco has been making significant investments to modernize its armed forces. These investments include the procurement of advanced air defense systems, fighter jets such as the F-16, and numerous UAVs. The country is also exploring the procurement of advanced fighter jets such as the L-15 Falcon from China in order to increase its air capabilities. Produced by Sichuan Tengden TB Innovation Company, Limited, the TB-001 is a UAV that stands out with its twin-engine, twin-tail design. With an operational range of up to 6,000 kilometers, the UAV will also provide Morocco with more effective surveillance and attack capabilities in large areas with its ability to stay in the air for up to 35 hours. The UAV has a 20-meter wingspan and a maximum takeoff weight of 2,800 kilograms. It is claimed that it can carry up to 1,200 kilograms of ammunition.